What's up, guys, and welcome to this week's episode of We Are the Bonsai Supply. I am Jerome, and this is my wife Mari, and today we're filming a very special YouTube episode.
It's very special because we are at the YouTube space in New York.
Yes.
It's Christmas time, and it's the last video of 2019.
Woo! We made it!
So let's take a look back at this year together. What a great year, you guys. Thank you so much for watching us. We are so blessed to have you in our bonsai family.
Absolutely.
And looking back to this year, we can see you love adenium videos. We're gonna make sure to have those next years. I also see you like tutorials and our trips. So if you wanna see something this year, just let us know in the comments below. We would love to see and we'd love to see your ideas, and we're gonna make sure to take care of that.
Yes. So one of my favorite things looking back at this year was definitely when the Bonsai Focus magazine reached out to us and asked us to write an article about Anchor, which is one of my favorite tree. You know, the tree that has the root over the statue. So the Bonsai Focus magazine is an international magazine, and they translate that magazine into 8 different languages. So that was a really cool honor. And in just a few months after that, Epcot selected Anchor also to be displayed at Disneyland in Orlando during the Flower and Garden Festival. So that was definitely really cool for me. One of the things that's really cool this year looking back is how our business grew. We started a YouTube channel and we have now 17,000 subscribers, which is incredible. Thank you so much. We moved our store location too.
Yes.
We moved to a much bigger location. We now have a warehouse which is attached to the nursery as well, which is of course very convenient. We also have now 3 in-house artists aside from myself. So we have Ed Trout, Toby Diaz, and Hiram Macias. Another thing that we also started is our Amazon. So we have a store now on Amazon. We sell on eBay, on Etsy as well. And if you want to see the links on how to get to those specific sales channels, you can go to our website, thebonsaisupply.com, which you can see right here. And then also,
it's definitely been an amazing year. And it's funny to think that 3 years ago we were with a lot of supplies on our home, and now we have a location and a bonsai family with you guys. So we're very, very thankful for that. And thanks to that, we also are able to give back, and our cause is actually animals. We are a very big animal lovers, and we do a big fundraiser event every Christmas. We actually had it 2 weeks ago. And it was great. We were able to raise money for them. So we put together bonsai and animals. How great is that?
Yeah, doesn't get much better than that. So,
yeah, so
we
year,
actually had on our own, we found homes for 35 dogs, right?
Yeah, so we're also fosters.
That's a
so
lot.
much fun.
You
should do it, okay?
Yes.
Just go to your local rescue and try to find ways to help. You don't always need to adopt. You can always help, volunteer, donate. So let's do this together.
Absolutely. Let's make this a better place.
Yeah, so we're very excited for next year, and we want to tell you the plans we have for you.
Yes. Alright, so next year in our YouTube videos, we're going to be focusing on doing a lot more tutorials. We're also going to be visiting more bonsai gardens, museums, exhibits, and shows. And our Q&As next year that we do on a monthly basis are actually going to be live. So you're going to be part of the Q&A videos with us right then and there.
And since we love interacting with you guys, we're also going to be raffling the trees that Jerome is going to work on the videos. And some others are going to go through an auction, through an eBay store as well.
Yes.
So you are going to be interacting with us way more. You're going to own some of our trees.
Yes. It's going to be awesome.
Woo! What a great year, you guys. We can't wait to see what next year is going to bring. And visit us at the store. Book an appointment with the artist. We'll be there, and we want to see you next year.
Absolutely. Also, make sure that you guys comment below. We want you guys to be involved in these videos. Let us know what you guys want to see, what you guys want to learn. Just let us know. And we'll make sure to deliver these videos for you. And also, Happy Holidays! And we'll catch you guys next time. I am Jerome, and this is my wife, Mari. And today, ready?
Are you?
Yes. So, hit it. Hit it. Claqueta. Now, how cool is that? I think we need and
visit us, book an appointment with an artist.
We need to do it again. Oh! Start again. Okay. 3, 2, 1.